can see where the high tide came up here. Here's where it was. I thought it'd be higher now. I mean, they're monster waves out there right now. And there's a couple of surfers. It's gonna come back over again, but the high tide's at 6:17. You can see here the evidence of where it's been. And there's Claire right up there. Want to walk out a little bit? Jacket. How you doing? Wow. Look at these in the middle. I wish you could see this better. We'll go out a little further. So here comes somebody, got the radar going, but they're not going out. Guarantee you they're not going out. I mean, this is insane. It's not only rough, but the currents, there's currents meeting each other. If you could see that right there, look at where the currents are meeting each other.
Man, that was cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it's cold. This looks like it could be a Hinckley. A classic cruiser. Isn't that pretty?
Yes.
Nope, that's the end there. Yeah, there's the Hinckley symbol on the side. I haven't seen that boat around before. Sun's going down. Comes a helicopter. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. You can probably hear it though. So So what's crazy about this is every year they spend millions and millions of dollars renourishing the beach. That's what they call it. Pumping sand up here. Mother Nature says, well, I don't want that sand there. I'm going to take it back. So off it goes. Right out here is the famous Jupiter wreck, Spanish galleon. And it gets buried with all this sand. It's just the biggest waste of money ever. So let's see if we can sneak out here a little bit further without getting too wet. Woo! Look at it coming over the end of the jetty. Look at it, look at this. Look at this. I'm sure tomorrow they'll have the jetty closed. I can't hear you. Yeah.
Amazing.
That's still coming up. See here? Are you glad we came over?
Yeah, it's exciting. Very beautiful.
Come and turn on the zoom for you here. Looks like here they come again, right down the seawall. Look, Claire, watch here. Claire. Yeah, still coming in. 6:17. Huh?
Where the others surfing?
Oh, look how far it came up that time, Claire. These waves came way up here. So the tide is still coming in and coming up. Let's walk down here, see what we can see. See, it's come all the way. You probably can't see this. Isn't that beautiful? You probably can't see, but here come the waves.